Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, me there, Lord Jesus. Before me start this new day, me want to thank you for everything you do for me, for all the blessing you already give me, and for the blessing that must still a come. God, me I put every burden when me carry in your hand. Oh God, it's slow too heavy for me carry by myself. Me pray you give me the strength, the courage, and the faith for hold on and trust completely in you. Cause you are the God of signs, miracles, and wonders. Jesus said, if you believe, you are gonna receive whatever you ask in prayer. Lord, me believe, you are gonna keep me and my family strong. Even when things look impossible, me place every impossible situation in my life straight in your hand. Cause you are me, God of miracles and wonders. Lord, give me peace like oh you get Daniel in the lion's den. Lord, me cry out to you. Me need a Red Sea miracle in my life. Lord, this world full of storm, we pray you carry me safely through every one of them. Me have faith and me believe you are gonna sustain me. Open miracle breakthrough and pour out plenty blessings on you. Opportunities, oh God, this burden too heavy for me carry. Me pray you give me the strength, the courage, and the faith for you hold on and trust in you. Cause you are the God of miracles and wonders. Jesus said, if you believe, you are gonna receive whatever you ask me in prayer. Let me believe, you are gonna keep me and me family strong. Even when things look impossible, me place every impossible situation. Cause you are me, God of miracles and wonders. Lord, give me peace like oh you get Daniel in the lion's den. Lord, me cry out to you. Me need a Red Sea miracle in my life. Oh Lord, me cry out to you. Me need a Red Sea miracle in my life. Lord, give me peace like oh you get Daniel in the lion's den.